Truth and Lies podcast, back again with another video, and it's your host, He Got Sauce, you feel me? Today we're going to be talking about, you already know, Turo, the #1 side hustle that I recommend to anyone to get involved in. But we're not just going to be talking about my 12-car fleet, we're going to be talking about how I insure my 12-car fleet. I have 12 vehicles, I'm the economy guy, known in the Palm Beach / Miami area, and I rent cars out to rideshare customers that need it for DoorDash, Uber Eats, a car to go to work, etc. All my cars got GPS trackers. You can do Spy Spot, you can use one-step GPS, and they're kill switch trackers also with an air tag. So I got 2 trackers in all my vehicles, you feel me? Now, I'm just jumping right into it, letting you guys know how I operate. And the #1 reason why I'm doing this video is to let y'all know the insurance I use that probably you guys can use too if you want to, or do your research, do your due diligence to find out some commercial insurance. Now, besides all that, if you're looking for commercial insurance, realize if you're looking for renter's insurance, I can't say it doesn't exist, but it will be very expensive. The insurance companies, they don't like insuring cars that you're going to give it to a person that's going to drive that's not on the policy. So that's why I use commercial insurance. Pretty much is for business use only. And now I'm covered, if the guests could be covered, if they add themselves to their policy. But my insurance covers me and business purposes. The commercial insurance that I use is Romley. Romley is a commercial insurance that I like to use. Right now I got 12 cars. For them 12 cars, I'm paying $900. Now to me, that's a win, because I'm paying less than $100 for each vehicle. There's also GMI. There used to be Lola, but you can see Lola went out of business because there's people who's filing too many claims. When I get in accidents, or maybe my guests get in accidents, I don't file no claims. I save my money, charge the guest the bill, and pretty much I'll use that money that the guest gives me to take care of the damages on the vehicle. Now, the more claims you have, the higher your policy was gonna be, and now you probably can't renew it, or pretty much when it comes down to pretty much trying to find cheaper policies, other companies are not gonna do business with you because they see that you have a lot of claims. So that's why, in case someone wrecks out, I don't file claims. I would charge the guest the money and take care of the car and throw it back on the road to make the money back, just like that. Now, you can look into other commercial insurance like GMI, and they might have policies where you can file as much claims as possible and they'll take care of you, but I try to avoid claims. Now, pretty much I'm gonna show you guys how Romley looks and everything like that, so you guys can know exactly which commercial insurance I'm talking about. Okay, right now we're in front of the computer, and pretty much this is how Romley looks like. ROMMLY, Romley. Now this is my policy number. These are the vehicles that I have, you feel me? That I can give you guys my ID card, but that's personal information. Claim on your policy, and that's if I want to do a claim. But as you can tell, like I told you before, I got this insurance just for me to operate. That's it. So in other words, I'm not filing any claims. This is just to insure my 12 fleet vehicle. And this is the best insurance that I found, the cheapest commercial insurance that I found. And then also you can have a account agent, and they will walk you through and help you sign up and ask questions. So pretty much if you have any assistance with signing up with the Romley insurance program, you can contact your agent and they'll walk you through the whole process. As you can see, that I have the Romley car sharing commercial insurance. Now, if you thought this was valuable information, you want more insurance and more information like this, like, share, subscribe, and we out.